I've been very impressed with Shoup and their ability to get products out next day. It'll be here even without overnight freight.
For a farmer, it's like Christmas. You got all these big parcels turn up and it's just like Christmas with all your parts inside.
If I order parts one morning, I usually get the parts the next day.
As far as shipping into Ontario from Shoup, we find that even after we factor in freight and the exchange rate and everything, it still ends up cheaper to ship. So we're very happy with that. If it can come from Shoup, we typically order it from them.
Even after the exchange rate, we still get better value for money than buying from a local dealer.
Generally very fast and very convenient. I can order in the evenings, I can order anytime, and then it shows up on my doorstep in a couple days.
The customer service of Shoup, they're terrific. The operators that you deal with, a lot of times it's the same guys over and over again, and they're very fast and efficient.
Ordering from Shoup is very simple, whether it's a phone call or on the website. They've really streamlined the process, very simple.
I can go through the catalog at my convenience, and I can call them in the morning or in the afternoon, and I know my parts are going to be there in a couple of days. And then if you need advice or a bit of help one day, because you're a loyal customer, they tend to help.
They're good people, have a quality product, good service, good price. Can't ask for anything better than that, and they're good people to work with.
They do listen, they do hear us, saying we need this part, and they've delivered.
Quality to me is not only the quality of the parts, but your price per investment too. You want a good part for the least amount of money.
Choose Shoup because of the price for one. The quality is great.
Quality, we wouldn't order from them if it didn't work. We need OEM quality because we can't afford to be down.
I like doing business with someone that has their manufacturing done here in the U.S.
Replacement parts are as good as anything you would buy from anybody, and generally better as far as I'm concerned.